how do I tell you? Okay, when I first thought of making this change, the most important thing, that was the scariest part, was, oh God, to wash. I know that when I make this change, I knew it since beginning that if I have to make this change, I will have to go back to washing each and every pad. Oh my God, it is still a little scary, but I'm trying to make this change. So let's see how it goes. So first of all, the cotton pads that are in the market, I'm not against anybody, I'm not going to name any company, but what I realized was that they have their top layer and the bottom layer, they are fabric, normal fabrics. The in between there is a thick absorbent core, which is washable. Okay, and that's how your cotton pads becomes reusable for a long time. uh, and there is a uh, thin waterproof layer at the bottom. It could be the final layer in the bottom, the last layer, or there could be a final fabric layer after the laminated layer, to just to make yourself feel better about it. So they cover it from cotton both sides, but there could be some pads where the final waterproof layer is the last layer and there's no fabric after it. So this is how it's constructed. And but the laminated part is a polyurethane laminate, so it has something which is not natural. The absorbent layer also has microfiber in it, again that is not natural. So even though how many times these people claim that that air can pass through it, it does not block air, it can ventilate your body parts, but I personally do not want to use any unnatural substance around me during that time, because I want it to happen as naturally as possible. So what I made was, I just pulled out an old kurta of mine which I knew that I wouldn't wear again. I I I made a sanitary pad on my own, and um, I'll show it to you. This was the very basic one. Some of you will kind of think, what have I done with it? But this was the most basic one, and I took about 2 days to stitch it. Why? Because number one, I don't have a sewing machine right now. I plan to buy it later on. So I've been sewing it with my thread and needle kit, and so this is the, I've been using this fabric. This is my old kurta. This is my old kurta. So I've cut it completely, and this is what I made out of it. Okay. Now, because I wanted this pad to um, be completely washable inside out, so that no part of fabric remains locked forever inside, I wanted it to dry completely. So I made a pocket in the pad. This is the pocket that I made here. And I don't know if anybody else has come up with this idea ever in this world or not, but this is my original idea. Okay, I have not seen anybody making this yet. If somebody has done it, it is their completely natural idea, and this is my own idea. I have not copied it from anywhere. So please don't say that I've copied it, because I have not. This is completely original. And 2 people can make original ideas, I'm sure. So if somebody has made something like this, I don't mind. Okay, so this has a pocket. Why is there a pocket? The pocket is here because I want to insert a thick piece of cloth which I can pull out later and wash. So this is a piece of cloth that I have. This is pure cotton. This is also pure cotton. This is also pure cotton. This here I have, see, this is the length. I folded it into 2. Okay. Now this Now I made the third fold. After this, I'll fold it into three. You can see these fold lines because I had already kept it folded. So first fold and the second fold. Okay. I'll show it to you once again. Single piece. First fold. Second fold. And then 3-part fold. 1, 2. Now this goes inside the pocket. Okay. Hold the end from here, pull it out. Okay. Looks like an alien, doesn't it? So it goes inside the panty like a normal pad, and the thin part of the panty which goes between your thighs, these are the wings. So these will go around the thin part. Okay, suppose this is that thin part of your panty, and these you can tie. Okay, so this will stay inside your panty, and this is quite thick. If you want, you can put in more inserts. It depends on how much capacity does your pocket have. So I'm going to put one more insert in here to show you that putting more inserts is possible. And see, these days the cotton pads in the market are very expensive. When I thought of the reason why I made this, because I found those pads very expensive. Okay, 200 a pad. If you can afford it, please go ahead and buy it. Not that I could not afford it, but since I was just sitting at home not doing anything, so I thought I might just make one for myself. So now I have 2 layers of fabric here, and this is good for a medium heavy flow. If you have a very heavy flow, this will last for about an hour or so. I have not tried it, but I think it will, and I'll see. Maybe I'll use it on my next cycle and see how it goes, and I can tell you. And maybe someday when I'll make a new pad, I will also show you how I've made it.